The world of contemporary art, inspired by chaos theory. What is art? Is it a beautiful painting, a moving piece of music, or an activity that expresses thoughts and emotions? In fact, there is no single answer. Even artists and philosophers have debated the definition of art for a long time. So let us ask a different question. Why do we need art? Art is a special form of communication that connects people. We use words to share our thoughts and feelings. Artists use colors, lines, sounds, and movement to express the stories they want to tell. So what do artists try to communicate? They may express emotions such as joy and sorrow. They may reflect the spirit of their time or criticize society. They may also convey ideas that words cannot easily express. What matters is that art gains meaning when it communicates something to people. As times change, the way artists express ideas also changes. In 19th century France, realism emerged. Realist painters focused on the lives of ordinary people rather than heroic stories or imaginary landscapes. One of its leading artists, Gustave Courbet, painted farmers and workers realistically and sought to show society as it was. Then the Industrial Revolution began, and the world changed rapidly. People started to see the world in new ways. This gave rise to Impressionism. Impressionist painters left their studios and went out into nature. They tried to capture how light and color changed with time and season, even in the same landscape. Have you ever noticed how the same place looks completely different at sunrise and sunset? Impressionist painters wanted to capture those fleeting moments, so they focused on quick brushstrokes and color rather than detailed lines. But people at the time did not understand these paintings. Critics said Impressionist works looked unfinished because they seemed too rough and their forms were unclear. As time passed, people changed their minds. Today, Impressionism is one of the most beloved art movements. But did art continue to pursue order? No, it did not. After World War II, European artists experienced the wounds of war. As faith in existing values and order began to fade, new forms of expression emerged. One of them was informel. Informel means without form in French. Rather than follow fixed rules, artists sought to express their emotions freely. They let paint drip, scratched the surface, applied thick layers, and embraced the marks that chance created. But why did they choose to abandon order? People who had experienced war no longer saw the world as a perfectly ordered place. Instead, they wanted to find genuine human emotions within confusion and uncertainty. As a result, informel works often do not have a clear meaning. Instead, they evoke feelings such as chaos and anxiety, freedom and possibility. In this sense, informel is closely connected to chaos. Chaos is not simply disorder. It is a state filled with countless possibilities. Likewise, informel breaks away from fixed forms and reveals the possibility of new meaning emerging. Today, chaos theory plays a role in many fields of art. It is especially important in computer graphics and digital art, where chaos theory and fractal mathematics help create visual works. Did anyone know that computers can create art? Artists use mathematical formulas to generate beautiful patterns and images. Small parts repeat in forms that resemble the whole, creating complex and mysterious fractal structures. The strange attractors that appear in chaos theory also inspire many digital artists. Even when they use the same program, a slight change in the initial conditions can produce a completely different image. In the end, art is the pursuit of new possibilities between order and chaos. Realism sought to show the world as it is. Impressionism captured fleeting impressions. Informel revealed emotions within chaos. Today, Digital art creates new forms of beauty through chaos and mathematics. Which seems more beautiful, a perfectly ordered picture, or a work born from the unexpected nature of chaos? Perhaps the true appeal of art lies at the point where order and chaos meet.